10. Make money work for you. Money is a tool that can help you to achieve your goals. It can provide comfort and stability for your family. Make it easier to plan for the future and allow you to save towards important milestones. But to achieve these things, you need to know how to make your money work for you. What does it mean to make your money work for you? Making your money work for you means taking control of your finances. Then using that control to continuously improve your financial stability and security. You may eventually be able to gain financial independence or build wealth through investing. But neither of those things can happen without first understanding where your money is going and learning better ways to use it. Investing money is akin to making it. It is a long-term strategy for building actual tangible wealth that can be utilized as income later on. There are several options to grow money through investments. 1. Stocks. The stock market can be a daunting place for novice investors. But with a little amount of effort, the risks are worth the reward. Stocks essentially represent legal ownership in a company. When you invest in a stock, you automatically become a part owner of the company. Investing in stocks can be an efficient way to build wealth gradually over the years. One of the easier ways to make a foray into the stock market is by investing in mutual funds or index funds. These investments are like a group of diverse stocks and other holdings that appreciate over time. Mutual funds are the better options for first-time investors to generate income, as they require very little effort and planning to get started. The most important thing to remember while investing in stocks is that it is a long-term process. Don't be jolted by short-term volatile events like this pandemic and withdraw your money. Because markets are resilient and your patience will pay off in the long run. 2. Real estate. This is a popular investment class. A lot of people prefer it because, unlike stocks and bonds, it is a tangible asset. Real estate gives people the sense of ownership, and its value appreciates over time. However, the only major hurdle with real estate investments is the cost of maintaining it. 3. Develop sources of passive income. With the advent of social media, there are more ways than one to achieve financial stability and security. Online content creation, voiceover work, freelance writing gigs, part-time marketing are just some of the options that people can explore to generate some additional income. This money can be a surplus to your staple monthly income and can thus be solely directed towards savings and investments. 4. Claim your tax credits. If you are charged more tax than you are actually liable to pay, then the excess amount is made available as a tax credit. This credit can later on be adjusted against any future tax liabilities. Example: the credit is entirely deductible from the amount of tax you have to pay, and this is regardless of the tax bracket you fall into. So make sure to claim your tax credits. 5. Credit card rewards. Although this might sound slightly trivial, earning cash just by spending the money you normally would is always a bonus. Rewards cards work best when you pay off your balance each month. But remember to avoid making extra purchases just to get rewards points, because that defeats the purpose of curtailing unnecessary spending. If you want to see full video, click here to watch. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.